In this video, I'll show you the right way to promote Digistore24 affiliate marketing products on medium.com. Hi and welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. In my previous video, I show you how to make money on Medium using affiliate marketing method, but I felt like it was a crash course. I went through fast, but in this video I would like to take my time to explain things to you. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, Digistore24 is an affiliate marketing platform, and you can promote your product too, especially digital products. It's like ClickBank or Amazon, okay? Alright, so if you don't have an account already, I have a tutorial and I'll drop it in the description box. Click on Marketplace to find products. Alright, so on the left side, the categories of the products. These are the digital products, and like I said, they deal mostly in digital products, and these are physical products like supplements, which is for weight loss and stuff like that. Okay, so if you want weight loss stuff, this is where you have to come. But in this tutorial, I will promote something from digital products and specifically internet marketing and e-business. So I'll click on that. Alright, so there are so many products down here that we can promote. I would like to promote Tube Mystery and monetization by Matt Power, and you have 50% commission. There are 3 things you should pay attention to before you promote a product. First, you need to check the sales page. Make sure you have affiliate support page. And most important, check cancellation rate. As you can see, this one has 16.1%, which is a bit too high. Anything above 10 to me is a bit high, but I'll take chances because this is a high ticket, so that's all right. All right, first of all, I'll show you the sales page. All right, so this is the sales page. In case you have to create a landing page, you just have to come up here and take a quick look just to know how you're going to create your landing page. But in this tutorial, we're going to use articles. Let me show you the affiliate page as well. Affiliate page is where you're going to come to grab informations to promote your product. Alright, so you can either come here and click on promote, then you click on this, right click and copy. Alright, or another option is if you go through the affiliate support page, you will get something like this. So what you have to do, highlight this, change this to your affiliate name, okay, or your affiliate username. Then here is if you want to add a campaign name. Let's say you want to promote it on Facebook. Like in this instance, we want to promote it on Medium. So I can change this campaign key to Medium. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to promote it on Medium. So why Medium? I'll show you the traffic. All right, so I have this Chrome extension called SimilarWeb. All right, so you can install it. It's free. So this shows you the monthly visits on Medium, and at the moment it's 217.20 million monthly visitors. So you just have to take advantage of it. Not to say that you get all these visitors on your article or whatever, but it just helps you to know the kind of traffic you are dealing with. Alright, so let's click off. My advice to you is to write your article somewhere like in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or wherever you can write it. Write an article, you click on write. So this is my article. So first, let me copy this. Right click, copy, and go to Medium. So paste it here. You can add a little subtitle. So let me show you. Right click, copy. It's like a snippet. So you come here and you paste it, then you enter. Now I'm gonna paste the main article, but before I do that, I would like to add an image. Okay, it's always good to do that. You can add an image from your computer or from search. You can add video or embed any link that you want. And this is add a new part. Go through search. So you need to type in a word or a phrase. So I'll type in YouTube, then enter. So it's gonna give you some images about YouTube. Let's see next. See what are our options. If you can't find what you want from here, you can go through next. If you click here, thinking that you have more underneath, it's gonna go off. So you don't do that. So go click on it. All right. But the good thing is it has it in the system already, so you don't need to type it again. I'll go with this. See how it looks? Really nice. Then I'll go grab my article. So I'll copy the whole thing. then right click and click on copy. Okay, then you come back here, right click and paste. So because I have everything formatted in Grammarly, I don't need to do much here, and that's why I like using Grammarly. Okay, so instead of using Google Docs and stuff, you can use Grammarly. All right, so for readability, I need to chop this thing off a bit. So this is how I want it, and most of the time it's good to add like a little titles. It just attracts people to read more. I'll add my affiliate link here. After telling them about the benefit of having YouTube channel together with your blog, this is where I'm going to be pitching in. And I say, shocking, do you know you can make money on YouTube fast without showing your face or recording a video? Alright, so I'll click here and click this link. Then I'll drop my affiliate link here and I'll click enter. Okay, the best way to do this is to add disclaimer. So I'll show you how to do that. So you type in here, disclaimer. All right, so let me just highlight this. I can just do italics, or I can, sorry, bold it, or even if you want, you can just come up somewhere in the middle of the article and add it somewhere. So let's say, all right, so the best place to put this will be somewhere here. Okay, so I'll just enter and I'll go down. All right, so I'll copy this, right click, copy, and I'll go up. This is all Medium want you to do. And also down here, okay, here is really important. Okay, you can't forget about this. When everything is done and set, you click on publish. Next, we need to add tags. So my first tag will be YouTube. Okay, so you have 40,000. All right, so I'll choose YouTube. Blogging is good. Growth is good. Yeah, video marketing, and say productivity. Productivity is good, but later on I can come back and edit whatever I want. Okay, so I don't need to worry about it. And when I'm done, I will click on publish. So it's doing its thing, so we're gonna have to wait. All right, so you can copy the link. All right, so it's 3 minutes read. So this is how people are gonna see it. So these are the tags. Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.